look at over here, 18 minus 18 plus 33j minus into minus is plus 12 plus 26. खबर ना देखो गो रही okay
Is a whole.
plus 1 to 26 plus 12 38
Yes.
plus sorry minus
20. Yeah.
that is 20 okay plus 20
Yes.
20 plus 33j divided by minus 6 plus j 3 that is z total. I am in search of z totals, you know. So look at that here. Now z total is equal to 20 plus 33j divided by minus 6 plus j3. Now we cannot divide rectangular form to in rectangular form. We should convert this rectangular to polar form. So for numerator, that is in, for example, zx is equal to 20 plus 33j. So zx magnitude is 20 square plus 33 square under the root. How much is this one?
$38.58.
Sona?
38.58.
Cross check it. Cross check it. 30
8.58.
5 8. How about theta? Tangent inverse 33 divided by 20.
58.78.
58.78 degree, you know. And it is degree in second, but consider it in degree. So that was magnitude, that was in. So zx polar form is 38.588 angle 58.78 degree. Understand? That was 20 plus 33j. Yeah, 20 plus j33. And another one is the denominator, that is, for example, z y. Here it is z x, this z y is minus 6 plus j3. So look at over here. It is in a special case for theta. Real is minus.
Yes.
So there will be in, you know, in theta we will something like add or subtract 180 degree. Understand my point?
Yes.
Or look at over here. So z y magnitude is equal to 6 square or minus 6 square is same plus 3 square. This one magnitude होगा सा
Yes, sir.
636 और 9
6.708.
636 और 9 सोना राजी 45 राजी
Yes.
45 and root से
6.7.
6.7
70.
plus 7 6.7. And how about theta? Tangent inverse 3 divided by minus 6. But look at over here, this is a special case for theta, you know. When real is negative, you should 180 degree minus
plus minus.
tangent inverse 3 by 6. Understand? 3 by 6. So 180 minus how much is this one? That is something, 50 between 26.56.
26.56.
How about
26 ka 25.
26? Minus 180 minus 26.56 degree.
180 minus 154.
154.3.
Point
180 minus 26, 154, sir.
0.5 number Rashid to 3.
Shaba kana?
3,
Wait a
4.
minute. 153.44.
143.4.
4. You know, think. So, look at our here. Z, Y.
150.
वीडियो स्टार्ट की गदा को कम यार कई
Nabia bezak pala da rakam. So up till this point, did you understand the process of this or analysis of this circuit?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now after that we just calculate the I total. After that we will find I1 and I2 using current divider formula. Okay. And look at over here. Here is an I total. Understand? I1 and I2. So anyone of current in between like I1 or I2, just find one, another will be found automatically, just minus that I1 or I2 from I total, you will find the another one. So for example, I1, use the current divider formula, I total, Z2, or here it is in Z3. Kana? Divided by Z3 plus Z2. Understand? So how much I total? 1.739 into Z3 minus 2 minus J3 divided by minus 2 minus J3 minus 4, that was minus 4, and plus J6. Understand? The minus bar of formula wala minus the ठीक शो minus of formula. So take over here 17. What was the angle of this? 7 angle 124 something.
166.
सर
हाँ
Z3 plus Z2 पर प्लस है नीचे माइनस.
अच्छा दाम प्लस है दा प्लस. ठीक शो. So look at over here 17.39 angle 124.66. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And minus 2 minus J3. Again, how much is this one? Minus 2 minus J3 plus or minus this is minus, and 4 plus J6. So how much is this one? Daoga kana minus 2 and minus J6 change to polar.
जी.
And 180 degree plus the theta of this.
Yes.
Theta is tangent inverse 3 by 2. Okay, kana no sata intizar ke.
180 plus tangent inverse, sir.
Tangent inverse of 3 by 2.
Sir, 236.
आज तक ये हाल का है सर देता हुआ हिगा बोल.
Wo dekhe sabar kawa. Sabri kam
236.
angle de
जी.
236
.30.
0.30 degree. That's so angle. How about the magnitude? खबर है ना 4 और 9 12 under root 12 वाला.
Under 3.46.
3.46 divided by minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6,
6.
and minus 3
3.
plus that is plus a 3. ठीक
Whole
शो?
square.
No, this is square.
Plus the okay, sir.
So उस दाव का 17.39
Yes, sir.
into 3.46.
3.46. 60.169.
60.16
plus
बस and 126.66 plus 236.3
multiply by
मल्टीप्लाई का प्लस
multiply ना plus
प्लस
प्लस
124 ना सर जी
यार 10 कला multiply की करनो angle 8 की गिरा 8
now 124
when you multiply polar into polar, the magnitudes are multiplied and the angles are addition.
yes.
Angle 8
362.96.
362.96
96.
How about this one? How about 45 होगा ना 6.7 angle रहेगा सा 180 degree minus theta the inverse of tangent theta 3/6
153.43.
153.43 angle. So look at our here. 60.16 divided by 6.7.
60.16 divided by 8.97.
8.97
Yes, sir.
angle होगा सा
Yes, sir.
362
Minus
minus 153
angle 362.96 minus 100
209.53. 9.53.
2053 ampere. This is
I1
I1 is equal to 8.97 at angle 209.
ابتدائي 1 ذيك داعي 2 شو
ampere.
ولا مو قلت 3 divided
I1 is the current. Look at our here. I1 is the current flowing through Z2
yes sir
in parallel with Z3. Arrange the formula that I1 is equal to I total. Numerator में आप opposite Z लगाएं.
yes
Just put in numerator the opposite one. That is Z3. So Z3 is over here. Z3. It is for
Bilal
plus Z and just go on. ठीक शो?
yes sir
I just write over here this one.
G, sir.
ठीक शो?
G.
So we found in I1. ठीक शो? How about I2? How about I2?
total minus
I2. So I2 is over here. We have a 2 I total and I3. Use the KCL, Kirchhoff current law. That is I total minus I1. We got I total. How much? I total that is 17.39
7.39
at
at
angle
angle 1 to 24.66
124.66
6
minus how about the I1
8.97 97
97
at degree 209
3
53 53 degree
Okay, then.
ampere. So now again polar, both are in polar, so we cannot minus or subtraction in polar. So we will convert this polar into rectangle. So how about the process? Look at over here. Can you convert a polar into rectangle?
Yes, sir.
How? Calculator पाहिजे की दा माता असतो volume न देणं तास I didn't tell you that how convert polar into rectangle.
Rectangle.
So look at our hair. That is in I'm just converting this into polar. That is 17.39 cos of 124.66 plus, because it is plus, j sine of 124.66 minus as it is this one. In another step we will convert this. Understand?
Sir, the cos booking
How can cos दाव का cos of 124.66 कसं राजी?
Sir, minus 0.58
into
17.39.
minus 9.8
minus 9.8 plus j sine of 124.66
1 minute sir. Sir, 0.82
multiply by 17.39
17. Sir, 14.30
for 14.30.
मार्कर
Understand?
राउंड वाला का
है ना?
sir.
मार्कर
माइनस इसको भी मैं कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ 97
सर लेवर का
right. 97 cos of 209.53 plus j sine of 209.53. ठीक शो? So minus 9.8 plus दारा पसी कवा j14
cos 209.53
cos 200
9.53 plus
multiply
by
897 8.97
8.97.
minus 7.804
minus
7.
हाँ these are the minus रागो देना minus रागो
Yes, they told me like sir.
अब plus बेबे दा multiply by minus plus
Plus, sir.
Plus
yes sir
so शेवली का
minus 7.8
7.8
7.8
बस this minus is multiplied by this is plus you know and now minus j how about this one sine of 209.53
sine of 209.53 yes sir minus 0.4
and then again plus this minus is plus
8 सर multiply
multiply by 8.9
8.97 this sir multiply क्या करना
minus 4.42
बस हाँ मैं प्लस को करना
Yes, sir.
4.42 understand
yes sir
उस गोरा minus 9.8 plus 7.8 2 minus 2 that show plus j that's one show 18.72 kana
Yes, sir.
that is I2 ampere but just polar पे change का
कितनी दस वो 8 लगो रे
18 points
that 18 polar change into polar
yes
उन्हीं का कहना बुरुस तुरी की चत्तन रवान होना दे चला रवान दे रहा
under root
ये बता
वालोरा दा पोलर पे change का
2 square
2 स्क्वायर
और 18.7 का square
18 स्क्वायर
this 18.7 2 square
18.80
हाँ
18.80
18.80 at angle 180 degree minus tangent inverse of 18.72 divided by 2.
180 minus tangent inverse of
Huh?
tangent inverse of
18.72
18.72 divided by 2.
let's say बारू क्या यो कसु है 18.72 divided by 2
minus
minus
minus preda kana bas preda
2
minus
sera.
96.09
just that rabo 180 minus that
180 kana sir
180 minus the togo
total
so shirawa
sir 96.09
96.098 degree ampere. So I total I1 and I2 we
Two.
found. उस दो तुमने से देख सकता रहा हूँ सर तो तू बोला इंग्लिश क्यों है जरा I go to what I go to what so was that easy or you know
it was difficult but interesting
difficult
easy but method is too long
Kana? So that was the assignment.
yes sir
Now I will give you another assignment. This assignment is solved by me, so cancel. Just cancel this assignment. I will give you another one. Kana?
yes sir
Tiksho? Hamada?
Yes sir.
Ta pošli? Za tiksho zubi abuli assignment lakum, ha? Right. Now why?
Stop the video sir.
Ah.
إذا قلنا عندنا تسيجما
Polar rectangular. Sangarabo.
संग में चेंज किया
Sanga by change ke.
How to come from polar to
يا सर जी
Ah.
بدل اللي كده انا سو شو بس 124.66 عندي كده شنو 146.66
Ah, was that tick pay beta? That would be a tick pay. उस वायर का सब क्वेश्चन दे दे दादा तो क्वेश्चन हुआ ऐसे वही
सर जी दा पोलर रेक्टेंगुलर
कन्वर्ट की फॉर एग्जांपल z equal to z magnitude ठीक है
the total for the what the I1 the what
सुनो
I2
सबर का आप यार डिस्कस करो when you convert into rectangular look at over here z magnitude cos of the khabara cos of theta delta to plus plus minus this plus minus g sin of theta ठीक शो या देना further thing of z magnitude cos of theta plus minus z of लगा z of magnitude sin of
the J चलता भी अलग.
sorry g that
Yes sir.
हाँ तो से भी लगा
the what is I1 the
I want to ना कट रहा
I2
I total कम दे
I2
Dale.
today 18.8
दा दा total
I 17.8
I want डाले
जी I2
I2
doesn't matter I2 تزيات راغونو هغه زد بچ کم دی هغه خپل یو ویلیو کم وی کنه هغه میگنیټیوډ او د
सर जी I2 मु करंट डिवाइडर फॉर्मूले में थी शो फाइंड कवर
څه شي I2
I2
افعل موږ هم کرنٹ ډیوایډر فارمولا باندې
I2 तो डबल करे دا
دا
यस सर
دا چې دی کنه دا هغه باندې کولای شي او دی باندې کولای شي
आंसर वो सेम रहा
عام سیم راځي
د جیم سره ډي سي کې خو تاسو نه کېږي چې لکه څنګه دلته راو
څنګه
ډي سي کې خو تاسو نه کېږي
for DC or AC کې هم دا فرق څه کنه or here we consider this angle matters lagging leading that why we inshallah or here this current is leading 209 degree with voltage.
Yes, sir.
And now the leading. Plus is leading, minus is lagging. So over here current I2 is also leading.
Yes, sir.
ठीक sir?
Yes, sir.
What's the question?
Yes, sir.
Divan question. That's why now.
3.44, sir.
53.44 degree. So theta is equal now z y is equal to how about magnitude is this one 6.7 angle 153.44 degree. Now we can divide this, that is in z total is still we are in search of z total
Yes, sir.
ख्याल हम देखो तो ना
Yes, sir.
z total is equal to zx, that is 38.58 at angle 58.78 divided by zy, that is 6.7 at angle 153.44 degrees. So is equal to z total is equal to how much this one? 38.5 8 divided by 6.7. How much this one?
Sir, 5.75.
5.75
75.
at angle 58.78 minus, when you just denominator to the up, the angle will be minus. If it is plus, then it will become minus. So that is 58.78 minus 153.44.
Minus 94.66.
So that is 5.75 angle
Minus 94.66.
94.66. That is Z total. Understand? Now we can calculate. Matam pa kilik daga raka wa lift raka wa kana. Are kan tam pa lift work wa. Now we can calculate I total. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And that was we wrote over here, that is V total divided by Z total. Now we calculate the Z total over here. Understand? Was that easy or interesting?
Interesting.
Not easy, interesting.
That was interesting because if we calculate the Z total or R total in DC circuit, that was pure resistances, we can calculate that R total in few, I think so, in 3 or 4 steps. But over here in AC circuit, we just how many steps we got. So that is bit interesting. Not in it is easy but interesting.
Yes, sir. It is.
That is, sir.
No.
Difficult but interesting. Okay. There is an interest in difficulty, Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
There is an interest in difficulties. Understand?
Yes.
Correct? So look at over here. I total now, that is V total divided by Z total, and we got that V total. How much V total over here? V total 100 angle 30 degrees. And how about Z total? That is 5.75 at angle minus
100
94.66.
divided.
So that is I total is equal to how much is this one? 100 divided by 5.75.
17.39.
17.39 at angle 30 plus
30
because it
minus.
will be plus or
Plus.
when we got
94.
when go up plus
124.6.
124.66 theta, that is ampere. You shouldn't forget the unit of current over here. Understand? So that is I total. So that is the current flow from this source over here. And this I total is flowing through Z1. I total. How much is this one? 17.39 at angle 124.6. Alika, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Now this will be your new assignment to solve. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I think it is easy, huh?
We will try our best.
You will use in mesh analysis over here
Yes.
a simplest circuit, you know, on mesh I1 and I2. Understand?
Yes.
So all values are clear.
Yes, sir.
Z1, Z2, Z3 and their values and voltage sources value, okay?
Yes, sir.